Welcome to Research Rocks. Today I am making one unboxing video, and that unboxing comes in the home cleaning gadget, and this gadget name is Vileda. I am purchasing this cleaner in Copenhagen, Denmark, and this product priced like a 399 krona in Indian currency, accordingly 4500 in between INR. So why I am purchasing this one and why I am making this unboxing? So first of all, past couple of months ago I am using different types of cleaning in the house. In the Denmark, no one made comes in clean your house, so you clean yourself. So why I'm spending here more money? Earliest I am using this products. So this product disadvantage is comes, you can always carry this one, put it the water and then different kinds of liquid, and always I am buying this liquid like a 50 krona, means 500 INR, and then I am putting this one and then cleaning my house. Today now I am providing you unboxing as well as features of this product. So let's start as an unboxing video. So now let's open it. It's very simple and compact packing, as usual all Danish products. I kept entire product outside and we can see so many products inside. Wow, it's amazing. This is a cable of electric. You can always put it the electric socket and then clean. This size of 6 meter means you can cover very easily entire the big room. So this is a portion to clean surface. This is a magic booklet. You can use this booklet and learn how to use it. So the booklet comes in different languages, like one is a English, one is a Danish, and one is a German. This is a 4 surface cleaning cloths they are providing, accordingly 4. So we fix out first and then we see. So this is a main product. Can you see this is a very compact design, and you can fix out any place in your home in small amount of place the consume compared to the old one. And look at this, you put it simply here water, and minimum maximum size is this, we can see as a demo. Continue watch till end this video. So we fix out first of all this one, fix out here. So this portion comes like this triangle and then put it here. Now this one is a fix it, look at this, fix out. Now use this one as usual triangle wise and fix here. Now this one is a fix out, we can put it here, and this again triangle wise proper portion. We can use this one. Now we open this one and get the water here. It's very compact, minimum 500 milli water comes here in half liter, the max and min. Now we will plug this on electric socket. Now the device is on. Now we can clean here. So look at this, inside the surface you can very easily clean in your sofa. So the automatically moving on the empty space here, Again, one more thing, if you are living in Europe, so the such kind of heating radiator is available, so you can very easily under the radiator clean this house, and it's very amazing and compact device. So use this device and clean your surface. If my elder brother is living with me, so he is very happy to use this device for the cleaning point of view. You won't buy this product, so I am buying this product in Lidl supermarket located on Copenhagen, Denmark. As well as you can order as an online Lidl website. If you like this video, so please subscribe my YouTube channel and share this video. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.